Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kanwar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our last video, we delved into Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. Today, let's shift our focus to Virabhadrasana II, Warrior II pose. I'll guide you through the pose's form, how to get into the pose, what to focus on during the pose, how to come out of the pose and the benefits it brings. Join me as we practice together. Grab your mat and let's start. Are you ready? Today's pose is Virabhadrasana II, Warrior Pose 2. It is a standing pose where one foot turns in, one leg turns out, one leg is bent and the other is straight. The torso extends up with the arms reaching sideways at shoulder level. Face turns towards the bent leg side as gaze is towards the palm. Virabhadrasana II. Start with mountain pose. Big toes, inner heels are touching, legs is straight, arms by your side. Then bend your leg, bring your hands in front of your chest, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, arm reaching, then turn your left foot in, turn your right leg all the way out. On an exhale, bend your right leg. So before we go further, let me clear one or two things here, or I want to bring your attention. As we bend our right leg, this is the tendency your knee wants to come towards big toe side. So make sure you direct your knee towards the little toe side so you can feel the opening from inner thigh to inner knee. Another thing, when our stance is little short, then our knee just go over our ankle. So make sure it doesn't happen. It's not good for knee joint. So just keep these 2 points in mind. Arms reaching, exhale, bend your right leg towards little toe side. As you bend it at 90, try to make a square or your thigh parallel to the floor. Then press down into your outer left heel down. Bring the top of your left thigh back. Press down through the right center heel. Top of your buttocks descend down. Trunk extended, arm reaching, pull through your left hand as you slightly lift your chin to turn your head to look towards your right palm. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, look in front, pull through your left arm, straighten your right leg. Then turn your feet to the parallel and repeat on another side. Turn your right foot in, turn your left leg all the way out. Trunk extended, arm reaching. On an exhale, bend your left leg. Bend it towards little toe side. Press into your outer right heel. Bring the top of your right thigh back. Press down through the center left heel and bring your left knee towards little toe side. Top of your buttocks descend down as you lift the sides of your waist. Extend your trunk up. Pull through your right arm. Lift your chin slightly up to turn towards your left palm. Then to come out, press into your outer right heel. Look in front. Pull through your right arm, straighten your left leg, then turn your feet to the parallel. Bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Benefits of Virabhadrasana II. This asana shapes and strengthens the leg muscles. It relieves the cramp in calf and thigh muscles, brings elasticity to the leg and back muscles, and also tones the abdominal organs. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to a better alignment through yoga. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in comments below. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.